Hello, and we are back in Unit 3, handling data 3. In this video, we will be talking about the range of frequency. So, the example says the weights of 20 babies born in a hospital ward on 1 January are recorded in the table. Find the range for this frequency distribution. As you can see, we already have the table that we were working with previously, and now what we have to do is to find the range. Now, take a look at the left column. The left column is the column that contains all the units. It contains the values. 1 to 2 kilograms, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 4 to 5. So, we need to find the range of that. And the range is the highest value out of all values minus the smallest values. So, let's take a look. Where is the highest value out of all the weights? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 kilograms, but you need to pick the highest one. So the highest value out of all 4 weight groups is 5 kilograms. This is the highest value. And the lowest one is 1 kilogram. So, to calculate the range, all you need to do is to subtract 1 from 5. So, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 kilograms is the range for this exercise. That'll be all, and thanks for watching.